ray coming up this way and a ray coming this way. And they share an endpoint. A vertex, right here, that's a shared endpoint. So where the two rays start, that's the vertex right here, and it's the endpoint. This is a right angle. It forms a square corner. We can describe angles in plane shapes by seeing if they make a square corner to make a right angle. We can also compare them to right angles to see if they are less than, that would be more closed than a square corner, or greater than, that would be more open than a square corner, than a right angle. Changing the position of the angle will not change the size of the angle. So these are all right angles. They all have a square corner. Doesn't matter what direction the rays, the arrows are pointing. They have a square corner, so they're all right angles. Angles are measured in degrees, and you're going to learn about that when you get into 4th grade. And extending the rays, making them longer, will not change the angle. The angle will stay the same measure no matter how long these rays are. And this angle is less than a right angle. It's smaller than a square corner inside here. And the little curved line is called an arc. And it's a math symbol to identify an angle.
So, look, guys, how can I describe angle? We studied yesterday what is the meaning of a ray. Listen carefully with me. So the ray, exactly like this figure, from the beginning here and go like that forever. So we have start point, but no end point. Start point again, but no end point. Start point, but no end point. This is the first figure, which is the ray. The ray. Also, we have another ray. Start from the same point and no end. No end. Look, in the corner here, we have something called an angle. Angle. Okay? Saleh, you understand me?
Yeah.
Okay. Ibrahim, you understand me?
Yes.
Omar? Boys, please open the camera. Omar, open the camera, please. Ibrahim? Okay. Osama? So you
Yes,
understand what is the meaning of an angle? We have to raise again. Look, I have to raise. We said what is the meaning of ray?
very clear.
Again. What is the meaning of ray? Look, this is the ray. You can't hear me?
I don't can.
How? Saleh, you can hear me?
Yes.
What's wrong with you, Osama?
I'm not hearing you very well. I can hear you too. Still
Okay.
voice. Actually,
I can hear you so well.
can you hear me?
Okay.
There's
Osama, listen again. Listen again. We said, what is the meaning of ray? Look, Osama. This is ray. This shape is ray. Okay? Osama, you hear me? This shape is ray. We have start point, but no end point. So this arrow stands for, it will go forever. So we have how many rays here, Osama?
2 rays.
Yeah. 1,
2.
2. You know, this shape between them, is an angle. Is like the mouth of a fish.
Wow.
Yeah.
Now try. Wow.
Or like your mouth. Can you close your mouth then open it? Yeah, like that. So, and also we have different types. We have different types of an angle. We have different types of an angle.
The black hole.
The black hole. Yeah. You're interested in astrology.
This is going into higher physics.
Yeah.
More higher physics.
Listen to know what is the difference
Oh,
between the
it's a
different
black hole.
types. Listen.
Sometimes an angle will be identified with a letter of the alphabet or a number like 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll see little numbers inside the angle. That would be angle 1 and that would be angle 2. And you'll learn about that more as you get into the higher grades. We can use the corner of a piece of paper or a sheet of paper to help us decide if an angle is a right angle or not. And the corners of a sheet of paper are right angles. They make a square corner. And if it is a right angle, it will just be just like that corner of the sheet of paper. If it's less than a right angle, it'll be smaller than the sheet of paper. And if it's greater than a right angle, our angle will come out the side of it. So let's take a look at this. To correctly use a sheet of paper to find if an angle is a right angle, less than right or greater than right, we put a straight side of the paper on a straight side inside the shape or inside the angle. We can see here both rays are seen. There's one going this way, there's one coming up this way, and the corners match. We can line it up perfectly. So this is a right angle. Now let's try this one. When we put our corner of the paper there, we only see that one ray right here.
All right. Then please listen carefully with me again. Yazan Al-Ghamdi. Yazan, you hear me?
Yeah.
What is this figure? What is this figure? Is it line segment, ray, or straight line? Line segment. So describe the line segment, please.
Okay, it's line.
Only line, or you have to say it's a figure has start point and end point, or you can say it has two endpoints. Two endpoints.
Two endpoints.
What is the best description? Two endpoints.
Two endpoints.
Two endpoints. So can we use a ruler to find the lengths?
Okay.
Yeah. For example, it will be 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 7 centimeters, and so on. Okay.
Okay.
But look about the next one. What is the definition of this figure?
Line segment.
You said line segment. I'm talking about this one, huh?
This one is start to end point.
Start point and no end point. What is the name of this figure?
Is segment.
No, ray.
Ray.
Ray. Okay. Yazan Atash. What about the last one?
The last one. It's all in one.
No endpoints. Yeah. So this one is line. You can say it's line, or sometimes we call it straight line. Straight line. Okay. So can we use our ruler to know the length of this line?
Yes.
No, we can't, because there is no end. No end. Okay. No end. Also for the ray, there is no end. We'll go forever, 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 forever. So how can we know the length of the ray? if it will go forever? How can we know the length? There is no length. It's not exact length. Yeah. You know what is the biggest number, Yazan? What is the biggest number? Tell me the biggest number.
There are no biggest number.
Okay, this is your opinion. Muhammad, can you tell me what is the biggest number ever?
100000000000000000000.
You will say that forever? Okay, then I will add 2 or 3. It will be bigger. So there is no end for the numbers. Ali, you know what is the biggest number ever? Saleh,
Yes, teacher. Yes.
what is the biggest number
I
ever?
know. Me.
Yes.
Me.
Yes, Yazan?
Me. I know.
Oh boys, what is this echo?
Okay, 10,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,0
and for the numbers. Simply, there is no and for the numbers. Okay, so today's lesson is not about line segment, array or line. We're going to talk about the angle. The angle is like an union of two rays. Yes, Ibrahim.
In truth, isn't
Yes, tell me.
Isn't wrong about one thing? It's the actual number in total is infinity.
Yeah.
It's not actually a number. It's a one that infinity is a one that generates more and more and more.
Yeah, exactly. So can we say there's an end for the numbers?
There is an end.
There is.
But also, if you see the pointing thing, always remember, if you don't stop it, it's gonna go to an infinity stage.
Okay. So Ibrahim, yeah.
Put a wall in front. Put a line in front of the arrow. And then it will mean how long the arrow is. That's when the arrow stops. It'll hit because it hits the wall.
Okay, that's great. So to know what are the types of angles again, listen, we have here a union of two rays. The first two rays, here the second two rays, then the third.
This is a right. It's a right angle. Right angles are the correct one. Ouch.
As you can see, the Have you ever observed the hands of a clock? The two hands are at different positions at different points of time as they move along the dial. The two hands represent two rays meeting at a point. When two rays have a common endpoint, they form an angle. The two rays forming an angle are called the arms of the angle. The common endpoint is called the vertex of the angle. We measure angles in degrees. To measure an angle, we use an instrument called protractor.
The next year, we're going to study about protractor, this measurement or this tool for measuring the degrees of an angle.
It is in the shape of a semicircle. The midpoint of its horizontal edge is called its central point. The angle at the center is divided into 180 equal small divisions. A complete turnaround point is divided into 360 equal parts. Each of these parts is called a degree, to be denoted by 1 degree. As you can see, the arms of the angle can take any position. Say 30 degree, 40 degree.
Ibrahim Hashim, welcome back. Why are you late? Okay.
50 degree, 70
Boys, please open the camera. Open the camera, please. Salih, open it. Muhammad.
75 degree, 190 degree, 245 degree. Depending on the position of the arms, there are different types of angles. Let's learn about them. An angle whose measure is more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree is called an acute angle.
Okay, Osama. What is the name of the first type? Acute angle.
Acute angle.
Acute angle. So look,
Acute angle.
this one, the two red rays, will perform acute angle. Huh? Will form acute angle. Acute angle. Acute angle. Say it again.
Acute angle. Acute angle.
So look, is this one acute angle?
Yes.
Acute angle. Look. Also, let me draw another one. Is this one acute angle?
Yes. The acute angles are in the background.
Yeah.
Acute angle is like that.
This one, Osama? Osama? Is this one acute angle? Acute angle.
Angle have an
So
arrow.
all of, listen. Yeah, it's like that. So all of them like acute angle, acute angle, acute angle. But the next type is gonna be different. The next type is gonna be different. Listen. Yes, Osama.
Wait. See this. Look. Here, do you see in the background? We can see acute angle in the background. You know where you put that very giant arrow that's formed the acute angle?
Yeah.
We're covering the already made acute angle. It's
All
right.
Okay,
But
Ibrahim.
inside
Thanks.
the
Listen,
angle with-
please. Listen, please.
Acute angle. No, it's acute. Acute angles are smaller than other angles. An acute angle whose measure is 90 degree is called a right angle.
Okay. All right. The next type. Look. The right angle. The right angle is like a ground. Is like a ground. You can see the ground. And a column or a tree The tree will stand like this way.
And it's
So-
roots.
So this one is right angle. So we studied two types until this moment. The first one, the acute angle, like this one. Then the right angle will be go like this one. Okay. So Osama, what is bigger, the acute angle or right angle?
Right angle.
Right angle. Perfect. Yazan Ghamdi.
Because the acute angle is
It's
not
narrow like that. Yazan, open your mic.
But a right angle is a big what's a line?
What's wrong with your mic, Yazan?
I'm not working.
Ibrahim Hashim,
Yeah.
what is bigger and measure, the right angle or the acute angle?
Open the chat.
Huh? Ibrahim Hashim, tell me what is bigger in measurement, this one, the right angle, or the acute angle?
Okay.
The right angle, right?
All right. Right angles are larger than acute angles. Obtuse angles are bigger than right angles. They measure between 90 degree to 180 degree.
Again, look, there is another type This one is bigger than 90, is bigger than the right angle. Its name is obtuse angle. Usama, obtuse angle. Omar Faisal, Omar.
Yeah.
Are you sleeping?
No.
So what is the type of this one? Omar, what is the type of this angle?
Nine seconds.
No. Please concentrate, Omar. You're sleeping.
No, I was just.
No. I'm sad. Saleh, what is the
Yes.
type of this angle?
Obtuse angle.
Obtuse angle. Omar Makki. Omar. Yazan.
Yes.
What is bigger in measure? Obtuse angle or right angle?
Obtuse.
Obtuse angle. And what is bigger in measure? The right angle or acute angle?
The right.
Perfect. Muhammad. Ali. Muhammad,
Yeah.
what is the type of this one?
3.
What do you say?
3.
What do you mean by 3? What is the type of the angle? We had 3 types. We said acute angle like that.
I think
Look,
it's
the acute angle like that. And also we have the right angle like that.
Wait, I think it's
I'm sorry.
obtuse angle.
This is the right angle. And the last one, Muhammad, this one is obtuse angle, bigger than 90. Look at the mouth of the fish. It's bigger than this one. And this one is bigger than that one. You understand me?
Teacher,
Yes?
do you watch anime?
What do you say?
Do you watch anime?
Enemy?
Yeah, anime.
No.
You know there's a movie.
So let's.
There's
I know enemies. But please let's continue. Let's complete this topic. Then we're gonna know about enemy.
They measure between 90 degree to 180 degree. What will happen if both the arms of the angle are in an opposite direction? Nothing. There will be no angle. Wrong. This type of angle that measures 180 degree is called a straight angle. Let's move the arm of an angle to more than 180 degree. An angle whose measure is more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree is called a reflex angle. Okay, what will happen if both the arms of an angle overlap each other? 0 degree, 360 degree. Yes, both are correct. An angle that measures